Okay, and our homework for this week in our theory workbook is not a lot. We are just finishing up lesson 10. And your student for homework has to just go through this bottom line and write in the notes for this line. Okay, so this top part, these top 3 ones are done. And she just has to go through and write in the letters for each note. And when it comes to first, I guess, being a beginner at the piano, I would say the most important part, not only being able to identify the notes on the keyboard, but is being able to identify them on sheet music. And so what she has to do is, I have it filled out, but this note is middle C, right? And then it goes to D, E, D, and then it goes to the bass clef. So C, B, A, B, C, D, E, D. Okay? And then I'll just go through it again. We have right hand, because it's a treble clef, C, which is your thumb, D, which is your index finger, E, which is your middle finger, back down to D, right? These notes are the same note. They fall in the same place on the staff line, so it's D. And then you are switching to bass clef, so middle C, because it's in this giant space and there's only one line going through it, right? C, C. So C, and then you're going to B, one note down the scale, which is your index finger. And then you're going to A, which is one note down from B, right? And you can see that because B falls in the space at the top of this line, and then A falls on, it has a line going through it that's right underneath B. Okay, so A, back to B, then you're switching back to the treble clef, so your right hand, C, up one note, D, up one note, E, down one note, D. Okay, and that is all the homework in your theory workbook this week. All right, thank you.